Oh my God, Katie, what's wrong?
I can't grow a mustache.
You can't.
I'll never have one.
I have an idea. I will give you some of mine. I have hair enough for us both.
Oh my God, Katie! Sweet mustache!
Thanks.
You're welcome.